Hey guys, this is going to be a video of my fire alarm collection. So I've had requests to make a video of it. So this is going to be an update video of my fire alarm collection. So we'll start down here. First off, we have a 2091-9838, which is going to be put up in System Test 9, maybe. Or I might put up the integrity or the Spectre alert. You can vote. Next is a Mircom heat detector. It's a non-adjustable heat detector. I'm going to be selling this on eBay. So, and also I'm going to be selling this Potter fire alarm bell. Next, I have a simplex test station. It uses a key like this, and you just put it in there, and then just turn it to test it, and then turn it back to normal. And then now over here we have a simplex 4250-120. So you just simply pull it and insert the simplex P key, and there you go. Next we have a Gentex plug-in smoke detector with a fire alarm strobe on it. I'm not really sure what the model is on this, but it's not on the back. I checked already. So yeah, next we have a BG12. I took out the hex lock so it's easier to reset. So, yep. Next we have an Edwards Integrity. I have two of these. The other one's right there. And here's the back of the Edwards Integrity. So, yeah. Right here is a Siemens Chevron pulse station. The model number on this is a MSI B6F. So, and I just pulled it. Next we have an FCI MS2. See? FCI. That just uses a regular FCI key. And like this. It says FCI on it. I don't know if you could tell. Next we have a simplex dual action pulse station. To push in and then you pull it down. Next we have a BG10L lock key reset. So I'll pull it for you guys. This is a notifier one. Hold on. Okay. There you go. Next is an Edwards smoke detector, smoke alarm indicator. It also can be used as a test station. Here's the key for it. It says fire alarm on it. So what you do is you just turn it to reset/test, and then turn it back on. Next I have a Sega 278B key reset. dual action. Let's pull it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Anyway, it used to be addressable, but I made it non-addressable. I have the addressable thing module, so if anyone needs it, let me know. Next is a Gamewell fire bell. That's going to be up for sale too, so it's going to be in the description box next to the video. So here we have a Simplex 2099 T-bar. This is newer than the 425120. And then over here we have an Edwards 278 SPO. Over here we have a Gentex Commander 3. Over here we have a Simplex True Alert strobe. It has a grill on it, but it's actually a strobe. Over here is a Simplex, Spitzer Alert Advanced. Over here is a Wheelock AS, burnt out Wheelock AS, and the back of this is going to be going to Charlie because he needs a mounting part for it. And then over here we have an EST Genesis horn strobe. Also over here we have a local fire alarm, Servo Patrionics. Over here we have a Simplex remote strobe. Over here we have a BG10 hex reset. This is going to be sold. This is going to be for sale, but this is already sold to Trey, Fire Alarm Guy 2946. Over here is a Simplex strobe plate. I'm not sure what the model, 624958, and that's what this thing mounts on right here. So just goes like that, and that's what it's gonna. That's where I don't know exactly where it's gonna be yet. And right there is another Simplex 425120 and their CQ-Tron fire alarm pull station. So yeah, that's my fire alarm collection, and the eBay links for the bells and whatever else I'm going to sell will be in the description box. So thanks for watching.